Good evening. We begin with some sad news. Former President Jimmy Carter, the country's longest living president, is back at home in Plains, Georgia tonight after a hospital stay. But he is now foregoing medical treatment and entering end-of-life hospice care. We don't have much detail on the former president's health issues, but the 98-year-old has been in and out of the hospital in recent years and fought off cancer well into his 90s. His grandson today saying that both Mr. Carter and his wife Rosalynn are at peace. Monica Alba has the very latest.
Tonight, former President Jimmy Carter at home, surrounded by those who love him most. The Carter Center announcing he decided Saturday to receive hospice care instead of additional medical intervention after a series of recent hospital stays. The oldest living president turned 98 in October and will spend the rest of his time in Plains, Georgia, with Rosalynn, his wife of 7 decades, by his side.
Every question was, how did you live with that man so long?
In his 80s, Mr. Carter was diagnosed with melanoma that spread to his liver and brain, defying the odds with the help of an experimental drug. And through it all, always keeping perspective on the fragility of life.
I just thought I had a few weeks left. But I was surprisingly at ease. You know, I've had a wonderful life. I've had thousands of friends, and I've had an exciting and adventurous and gratifying existence.
A man of deep and enduring faith, the former Democratic president dedicated himself to service after one term in office, building homes for those in need and fighting for human rights and democracy. On Saturday afternoon, the 39th president's grandson tweeting, "The Carters are at peace, and as always, their home is full of love."
Monica joins us now from the White House. Monica, do we know anything more about why he was in the hospital?
It's unclear, Jose, but the Carters have been keeping a low profile since the start of the COVID pandemic. Around the same time, the former president stopped teaching Sunday school after 40 years of doing so. Jose?
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.